This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jeff Chancey. Second floor 2-bedroom 2-bath. This building has the best location in WOODISDE. Enjoy the large shaded oak tree from all the rooms. Buyers will most likely want to replace the flooring. Priced for its condition needing COSMETIC updates. Easy maintenance with the H.O.A covering most everything on the outside: paint, roofs, PEST, insurance, lawn, trash, even water/sewer is included. You'll enjoy all the activities offered at WOODSIDE. Heated community pool and clubhouse. Centrally located, walk to shops and restaurants, WAL-MART, ALDI. Close to I-95, 15 minutes to the beaches. For more information, review the details below.